Hello friends, welcome to Cook and Serve with Devika Bhatnagar channel. Today I am going to prepare tomato, that is tomato rasam. This is in Telangana style. We call it as a tomato pepper rasam also. This is very tasty and especially whenever you want to eat light. So you can prepare this. It doesn't take much time and all the ingredients will be available at home. Let's go for the preparation. In a kadai I have heated oil and added half teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 green chilies. Let's fry for some time, and also onion pieces. Half onion I have taken. We'll fry for 1 minute. Now adding turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Now it's the time to add asafoetida, pinch of asafoetida, hing. We'll sort it once. And tomato pieces. I've taken here 3 tomatoes chopped into fine pieces. So we'll add the tomato pieces. Sorting it for 2 minutes. And it's the time to add salt also. 1 teaspoon I have added. And chili powder half teaspoon. Give it a mix. Now we'll close the lid and we'll keep it in the same flame at least for 3 minutes. Now meanwhile I'm preparing here cumin seeds and 5 garlic flakes and 1 teaspoon pepper I have taken. If you want more thick or if you want more spicy, you can increase or decrease this pepper. Based on pepper you'll get nice taste. We are going to crush this. First I'm crushing pepper and cumin seeds. Coarsely crushed. Now we'll add garlic pieces. Crushed coarsely. So this is the powder, rasam powder is ready. Meanwhile, if you check after 2-3 minutes, now the tomatoes have cooked well. It's time to add tomato rasam, the tamarind rasam. I've taken lemon sized tamarind, soaked and extracted the juice of the tamarind juice. And also we'll add now here a little bit of water. I'm adding here 2 cups of water. If you want more thickness, you can add 1 cup only. And also add curry leaves and also coriander leaves. Give it a mix once. We'll boil this at least 5 minutes. Now you'll find and also adding this crushed powder, tomato rasam powder, cumin, pepper and garlic powder also added. You'll find a nice fragrance in the entire home. So people will love to have this tomato rasam. At least 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes you can see it is cooked almost, ready to serve. So taken into serving bowl. So this is very hot and very nice also. If you can have it with the tomato rasam with the hot rice you can have, or otherwise you can serve it just like a soup also. Especially in winter it will work out very well, just like a soup. It will work out with cold cough, and whenever you feel like having light food in the night, so tomato rasam and rice is going to work out. It is good for digestion system also and very tasty. All your family members will love this tomato rasam. Now tomato rasam I am serving with here rice. So I'm serving here with rice, tomato rasam, hot rice, pickle, papad and also banana fry. Any fry you can keep it. So do try this recipe and serve to all your family members, friends near and dear. Do share your experience with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like the recipe, please give a thumbs up and share this video. So stay healthy, stay happy with home food. Thank you all. Take care.